You just have to use a plastic bottle and never pay to open a door lock again. This trick is super simple, but once you learn it, you'll never need to break another lock or call a locksmith. First, grab a regular plastic soda bottle, yes, just like this one. Take a knife or scissors and carefully cut off both ends of the bottle. We just need the middle part for this trick, and it only takes a few minutes to prepare. Let me know which city you're tuning in from. I want to shout out some of you in my next video. Today's shout out goes to Marta from Los Angeles. Okay, now that we've got the middle section of the bottle, give it a few twists and rolls until it starts forming a coil shape, like this. Then, grab a knife or a straight edge to flatten and straighten it out. After that, fold it just a bit to create a sturdy but flexible piece. Now we have our unlocking tool ready to go. Here comes the real test. I'm going to lock the door right now so you can see how well this works. Imagine that your key is locked inside and you're stuck outside, wondering what to do. Instead of panicking or breaking the lock, here's what you'll do. We've all been there, locked out of a room or even our own house, with the key just sitting on the other side of the door. No need to stress or damage the lock. All you need is this trick. Alright, take your plastic unlocking tool and slide it carefully into the door hinge area, right where the lock mechanism is. Now, this part might take a bit of effort, especially if your hinge is tight, but keep pressing until it slips in between the hinge and lock. Plastic is amazing for this because it's durable, yet won't scratch or damage anything. Keep applying steady pressure, moving the plastic down toward the lock area. With a little force, you'll hear it click into place. And just like that, the door pops open. This technique works wonders in an emergency and keeps your lock totally intact. You'll never need to break or replace a lock again.